everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry, and today is July 22nd, Wednesday. The time is around 4 a.m. GMT. Today we'll be looking at the chart of silver, right? This is the 1 hour chart here. Now we can see, as you can see right here, silver accelerates to the upside. Very powerful move to the upside right now, right? And we are now, as you can see right here, in the shorter cycle within the wave 3. Okay, within the wave 3 in the black here, and the wave 3 subdivides into 5 waves. You can clearly see a very impulsive move to the upside here. I think there's, without any question, this is an impulse. So very strong, right? And take a look at the RSI, no divergence whatsoever at the peak. So this is telling us we are still nowhere near the top here, right? We are nowhere near the top. We should be expecting for the upside even in the shorter cycle. And what we're going to be looking at here is just the shorter cycle, right? Not the longer term and all those things, but only in the shorter cycle. So you can see right here, we are calling this wave 4 in blue completed and now ready to go higher. But of course, it can do double correction. Still, can do double correction unless we break above wave 3 again. Now if it does a double, it's even better, because that will be a better level to sort of participate the move to the upside, right? So we got this 1, 2 in black, and now within wave 3. And so let's measure wave 4 in blue here. Typically wave 4 is going to be 23.6, 38.2, but in a very strong trend, sometimes it's even less than 23.6, right? Sometimes it's only only 16, right? But we have not even reached the 23.6 right now, so cannot rule out another, let's say another leg lower here. So cannot rule out that this is only wave A, let's say, and then now we got a B, and then another leg lower, a C, into this blue box here, into this around 21.3, 21.9, before we find buyers from here and then go higher. It doesn't, regardless whichever the case may be, whether we make new high from here or whether we do only bounce and then do another leg lower, this is not looking completed yet in the shorter cycle. So we do like to see further upside in 3-7-11 swing, and if we can really do another leg lower, then again that will be the area we should be looking at here in silver, okay, to find some support, some buyers to appear here, okay, around 21.9, 21.3. okay. Again, target is to the upside. Now let's zoom out a little bit. Not really going to be too much. Again, we're not going to talk about the long term in silver right now. So obviously very impulsive move. I think there's no question on that. This is a very impulsive move, and that's why I think we can continue to see for the upside still in silver. Okay, now looking at the weekly, we can see right now it has already, if you take a look at this one, the weekly chart, it sort of it has this massive base right here, right? It has a massive base right here since 2014. Now this is a false break because of the COVID-19 news, but more or less we've been trading for 6-7 years sideways, right? And now that's a lot of volatility, you know, being pressed in such a very non-volatile environment for you know, like 6-7 years. And no wonder once we break above it, is going to be very you know, powerful type of move, and that's what we see. Now we also got this one here, 21, which is also very quickly broken higher again without too much of a problem, right? Without too much of a problem here, right? Breaks. Now we got this high here, 2008. This is not really a significant resistance in my opinion. Okay, it's not significant. Then the next significant one is really gonna be here, around 26, 28, right? That area here is gonna be the next stalling area, so to speak, in silver right now, before we got again another consolidation or a sharp pullback from there. Okay, now in the meantime here, in the shorter cycle, expect any dips right now, right? Expect any dips could see support again in 3711 swing for the upside. All right, so that's the update for silver today, and as always, you can join us in the live trading room, or if you want to check our service, you can always try our service. We have 14 days free trial. We'll provide the link in the description of the video below, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day to everyone.